पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ऊर्च ब्राह्मण तृतीय मंत्र। The Akshi Purusha is Indra in the right eye, Dakshina Akshi. Vama Akshi Purusha is Indrani, Virat Patni. The Indra Patni, Virat, is Annam. Asya Patni, Virat, Ashya, Atika. एकस्यैव वैश्वानरस्य उपासनार्थं प्रासंगिकम् इंद्रश्च इंद्राणि च इति मिथुनं कल्पयति. Vaishwanara is only one. For its upasana, prasangikam pati patni. This Rupa is doing kalpana. Shruti is doing kalpana. Indra is bhokta. Indrani is bhogya. Sthula padarthas are bhogya. Sukshma is bhokta. In this way, you have to do kalpana. अथ एतद् वामे अक्षणी पुरुष रूपम एषा अस्य पत्नी. वामे in the left eye, akshani the purusha rupam. Purusha literally doesn't mean man. Purusha means that akara which is available. Asya patni, asya indrasya patni. Yam tvam vaishwanaram atmanam sampannosi, which is Vaishwanara, to whom you have already attained by doing the 6 upasanas mentioned in the Shadacharya Brahmana. You have already attained that Swarupa. Tasya asya indrasya bhoktuhu bhogya esha patni virat annam bhogyatva deva. This indrasya, Indra is bhokta. Bhogya is patni, Virat, which is known as Annam. Bhogyatva deva. ठीक है. यदेतन मिथुनम जागरिते विश्व शब्दितम तदेव एकम स्वप्ने तेजस शब्द वाच्यम इत्याह. That Mithunam in the waking, which is called Vishwa or Vaishwanara, in Swapna it is called Tejasa, Tejasa Shabda Vachyam. Tadetad Annam cha Atta cha Ekam Mithunam Swapne. That there is Annam and Atta, this couple in Swapna. प्रथम टीका. तत्शब्दितम तैजसम अधिकृत्य पृच्छति. So tad etad annam, what is that tad? Katham, how it is taijasam? So it says tayor esha indranya indrasya cha esha samstavaha. Indrasya indranya, of Indra the bhokta इंद्राणि विभोग्य संस्थावः। ठीक है। किं तस्य स्थानं पृच्छ्यते अन्नं वा प्रावरणं वा मार्गो वा इति विकल्प्य आद्यं प्रत्याह। Pratham means what are you asking? Are you asking their sthanam, where they are, Indra, Indrani? What is annam you are asking? Annam. Va pravaranam. What is the avaranam? Yesterday I explained all this in the mantra. Or marga. So what is the sthanam? Sthanam is the hridaya desha. What is annam? The lohita, the red heart, which is the red mamsa. So that is where the sukshma sharira is. There the sukshma atma, linga sharira, bhokta is. Pravaranam, the covering in the form of so many nadis around the heart. Marga, the one which goes upwards, the hita nadi. Then in that, this in a sushumna nadi. In that, from sushumna, so many small nadis are there, hita, like the hair's 100th part, etc. So 4 questions are asked. Kim tasya sthanam, annam, pravaranam, margo va पृच्छते इति विकल्प्य आद्यं प्रत्याह तयोः एष इन्द्राण्या इन्द्रस्य च एष संस्थावः संभूय तत्र संस्तवं कुर्वाते. संस्तवं means संगतिं. They meet. Means now you see how sukshma the chintanam is. Where do bhokta and bhogya padartha meet? So bhokta we will say is, who is bhokta? Sukshma sharira endowed with chaitanya. This is bhokta. Bhogya padartha is actually outside. Shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandha. Indriyas will bring it inside. So indriyas will bring not actual food. Indriyas will bring inside in the form of vritti only. Shabdakar vritti, sparshakar vritti, rupa rasa gandhakar. That vritti bhoga will be done by bhokta. Where are these two meeting? Very sukshma chintan. Where is bhokta getting the vritti bhoga? Means it is not put in that way, but that is what is intended. So their sambhuta, sanstavam means sangatim. Sanstavam kurvate. इति यावत्. संस्तवं संगति. अन्योन्यम सह एषः संस्थावः. So संस्तवं कुर्वाते अन्योन्यम. They meet each other. This is संस्थावः. तो असौ य एषो अंतर्हृदय आकाशो. अंतर्हृदय हृदयस्य मांसपिंडस्य मध्ये. The अंतर्हृदय आकाश is where their meeting place is. पति पत्नी भोक्ता भोग meeting place in the हृदय आकाश. मांसपिंडस्य मध्ये. द्वितीयं प्रत्याह. Now second, what is the annam? अथ एनयोर एतद् वक्ष्यमाणम् अन्नं भोज्यं स्थिति हेतुः. Sthiti means sustenance. The cause of its sustenance of this bhokta or bhokta and bhogya sthiti is annam, bhojya. Tika. In tat, let us see partial a little bit. किंतर एषो अंतर्हृदय लोहित पिंडो लोहित एव पिंडाकारापन्नो लोहित पिंड रेड लंप हृदय रक्तवर्ण अन्नातिरेकेण स्थिते रसंभवात् तस्य वक्तव्यत्वात् इति अथ शब्दार्थ अथ शब्दार्थ other than annam it cannot be sustained. So its sustenance means maybe we can see it this way. This Hridaya Akasha, which is the meeting place of Bhokta and Bhogya, other than Hridaya, means a living, probing heart is where Bhoga is possible. If the heart is not functioning, Bhoga is not possible. Here only its sthiti is there. Lohita Pindam सूक्ष्म अन्न रसम व्याख्यातुम अक्षितस्य अन्नस्य तावद विभागम आह लोहित पिंडम सूक्ष्म अन्न रसम सूक्ष्म अन्न रस व्याख्यातुम अक्षितस्य अन्नस्य तावद विभागम आह there is a vibhaga there. What is that? Annam iti in Ashya Annam Jagdham, not Anna. Anuswara is missing there. Annam Jagdham. Vedha Parinamate. Jagdham Jagdash. Akshitam is Jagdham. Nishtha pratyay there. Ada bhakshane dhatu. There is a sutra, Ado Jaghir Lyapti Kiti. Ado Jaghir Lyapti Kiti. 2436. Ada will get Jagdhi Adesh. And Takar will become Dhakara. Jashas Tathor Dhodhaha. Then Jagdha Dhakar will become Dakara. Jalam Jash Jashi. And now you have Dakar Dhakara, so Jharo Jhari Savarni. One Dakara will go, Jagdha it will become. So first Ado Jagdir Lyapti Kiti, then Jashas Tathor Dhodhaha, Jalam Jash Jashi, and Jharo Jhari Savarni. Jagdham, Annam. Consumed food, Vedha Parinamate, gets divided into two. That which is Thulam, it goes down. In Chandogya, it is said it gets divided into how many?
Three.
Here it is 2. Now you see. Yad Anyat Tat Punaha Agnina Pachyamanam Dvedha Parinamate. The Sthula part goes down, means it is Purisha, it is rejected. So that which is remaining gets divided into 2 further. Dvedha Parinamate. यो मध्यमो रसः स लोहितादि क्रमेण पांच भौतिकम पिंडम शरीरम उपचिनोति. The middle part becomes lohitadi krama, means it becomes blood or the muscles, fat, etc. It nourishes the pancha bhautikam pindam shariram upachinoti. It adds up. It becomes padding on the body. Upachinoti. Tika. Yad anyat punaha iti yojaniyam. Yad anyat tat punaha, so yad anyat punaha. Tatra iti adhyahritya yo madhyama ityadi grantho yogya. Yo madhyama means tatra yo madhyama. Of the two, once the sthula part is gone, the other one gets divided into 2. Of the two, one nourishes the body. यो अनिष्ठो रसः स एष लोहितपिंड इंद्रस्य लिंगात्मनो हृदये मिथुनी भूतस्य. And the subtle part of the food consumed or the drinks or the ghee, etc., oil, which is called fire, all of that, sa esha, that rasaha, anishto rasaha, lohita pinda, indrasya lingatmano hridaye mithuni bhutasya. That is the lohita pinda. What is lohita pinda you see in Ika? Upadhi upahitayoho ekatvam. 7 number टिप्पणी उपाधि ही लोहित पिंड रूप. लोहित पिंड is the उपाधि. Of सूक्ष्म शरीर. That is a sthana. सूक्ष्म शरीर is available in हृदय देश. हृदय is the गोलक. लिंगात्मनो हृदय मिथुनी भूतस्य. So in the hridaya, the mithuna bhava between the indra, the sukshma sharira abhimani bhokta, and bhogya is available there. Upadhi upahitayoho ekatvam ashritya. So when you understand them as one, upadhi, the rakta mansa pinda and upahita indra, yam taijasam achakshate sa tayoho. So that is taijasam. Yam taijasam achakshate. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी अवतरण उपाधि पदेन लोहित पिंडम विवक्षित्वा लोहित पिंडम इत्यर्थम आहुः. लिंगात्म परामर्शकत्वम अपि यत् शब्द से संभवति. शुद्धात्मनस्तु न तैजसत्वम. तो तैजसत्वम इज ऑफ द सूक्ष्म शरीर और जीवात्मा. स तयोः तस्य अन्नत्वं. सो नाउ हाउ इट इज अन्नम. स तयोः इंद्र इंद्राण्योः हृदये मिथुनी भूतस्य. These two which are in the heart, Bhokta and Bhogya, Indra and Indrani, in the Hridaya, Mithuni Bhutasya, Sukshmasu Nadishu Anupravishtaha, Sthiti Hetur Bhavati. In the Sukshma Nadi from the Hridaya Desha, they go. This is the Sthiti Hetu. This is how Bhokta gets its Bhogyas and he sustains. व्याख्याते अर्थे वाक्यस्य अन्वितावयवत्वम् आह. व्याख्याते अर्थे the 4 things were asked. You have to remember. First one was sthanam. It is said hridaya desha. Annam. Annam is this rakta mansa pinda. Next is pravaranam and marga. व्याख्याते अर्थे वाक्यस्य अन्वितावयवत्वम् आह. अन्वित अवयवत्वं means वाक्यस्य अवयवाः अन्विता. That is to be said now. तदेतत् उच्यते अथ एनयोर एतदन्नम इत्यादि. In mantra it was said, अथ अनयोर एतदन्नम य एषो अंतर्हृदये लोहितपिंडो अथ एनयोः एतत् प्रावरणम्. So this is the next part now. that has to be explained. Atha enayoho etadannam is there. So you have to connect with tad etad uchyate. In mantra, see how it is given. अथ एनयोः एतदन्नम् य एषो अन्तर्दे लोहितपिण्डो उच्यते. अथ एनयोः एतत् प्रावरणं यदेतद् अन्तर्दये इत्यादि जालकम् इव उच्यते. In this way you have to do अन्वय. So what is प्रावरणं? यदेतद् अन्तर्दये जालकम्. What is अन्नम य एषो अंतर्दे लोहित पिंड उच्यते. अन्नम उच्यते. That is what व्याख्याते अर्थे वाक्यस्य अन्वित अवयवत्वम. There is one part whose अन्वय will do in these vakyas. What is that अन्वय? तद एतद उच्यते in this. अथ एनयोर एतद अन्नम उच्यते. यदि प्रावरणम पृच्छ्यते, if you are asking प्रावरणम ततः किंच अन्यत्. What is प्रावरणम? So you have to do अथ एनयोः एतत् प्रावरणम, and this is the प्रावरणम उच्यते. What is प्रावरणम? भोग स्वाप आनंतर्यम अथ शब्दार्थः. भोग स्वाप आनंतर्यम. Bhoga, which is there in Jagat Swapna, Swapa, Sushupti. In general, if you do Bhojan, Sthula, if you take Bhoga, then the person wants to sleep. So, that is what Bhagavan Bhashyakar says. Bhuktavatoho swapatoscha pravaranam bhavati. Just like in the world, भुक्तवतोः स्वपतोश्च प्रावरणं भवति लोके तत् सामान्यं हि कल्पयति श्रुति. Person who eats, then sleeps, then there is avaranam. Avaranam, in Hindi they have given, avaranam means a sheet to cover, chadar, paridhana. Or avaranam can be full ajnana. After eating food, heavy stomach, and when you sleep, then what avaranam comes? Tamo vibhuta. So that also you can use as a avaranam, pravaranam. Similar to that, here also there is pravaranam. Kim tat iha pravaranam? Pravarana pradarshana prayojana. Pravarana pradarshana is after food, sleep, then there is avarana. Sleep means as you lie down, then sleep will come. And sleep comes, your total avarana is there. Iha iti bhoktru bhogyayoho indra indranyoho uktihi. Hridaya jalayoho adhar adheyatvam avivakshitam. Tasyeva tadbhavat. Kim tad iha pravaranam. What is the pravaranam here? So iha iti bhoktru bhogyayoho indra indranya. Bhokta and bhogya, indra and indrani, they are mentioned. Hridaya jalaka yoho. But hridaya and jala, so it is not that in hridaya there is jala. Jala means so many nadis are around as if the heart is covered, which is true. Heart is almost covered by so many nadis. So it is not like Adhar and Adheya. आधार आधेयत्वम हृदय जालकयोः आधार आधेयत्वम अविवक्षितम. It is not the vivaksha. भूतले घटः, घट is the आधार और आधेय.
आधेय.
आधेय. घट is आधेय. Bhutale is adhara. So here it is not like Hridaya is the adhara in that there is jala. Avivakshitam. Why? Tasyeva tadbhava. Hridaya itself is jala rupa. Ashya. Yad etat antarhridaye jalakam iva aneka nadi chidra bahulatva jalakam iva. It is like jalaka. Aneka nadi chidra. So many nadi chidras are there in Hridaya. So it is jalakam iva. Now sritihi. Margaschet prachyate. If you are asking the marga, then we say tatraha. Atha enayoho esha sritihi marga. Of the two, this is sriti. Sancharato anaya iti sancharani. Swapna jagarita desha gamana marga. From swapna to jagrat. Means we never wonder how this Linga Sharira has gone to Swapna or Sushupti, deep sleep, from where it comes out and up to what point it comes out for interactions in Jagra. Then it goes back. So this Puritata Nadi is there. In that Nadi, it goes Swapna and then Sushupti. When it comes out only up to Hridaya Desha. And then again goes back. This is Jiva's marga. Atha enayoho esha sriti marga sancharato anaya iti sancharani. That by which it does sancharanam is called sancharani. Swapna jagrita desha agamana marga. From Swapna to come to Jagrat Desha, this is the Gamana Agamana Marga. Nadi vihi shariram vyaptasya annasya prayojanam aha. By Nadi, Sharira is vyaptam, so tasya annasya prayojanam aha tadetad iti. Tadetad. Is further. Kasa sriti. What is that sriti? Ya esha hridayat hridaya deshat urdhva abhimukhi sati ucharati nadi. That which is starting from hridaya deshat urdhva abhimukhi, going upward, ucharati nadi. Tasyaha parimanam idam uchyate. What is the parimanam, size of it? Yatha loke keshah sahasrada bhinno atyanta sukshma. This is how that sukshma is the nadi. If the hair is there, it is cut in 1,000 parts, not 100, 1,000. Sahasrada bhinno atyanta sukshma bhavati. Evam sukshma asya dehasya sambandhinyo hita nama hita iti evam khyata nadyas taha cha antarhridaye mamsa pinde pratisthita bhavanti. The hita nama nadis associated with the deha means the heart. They belong to, they are spread all over the body, originating from the heart. Antarhridaya mansa pinde pratisthita bhavanti. So this drishtanta, I think it is there somewhere. Like the aras are in the nabhi, these nadis are in the hridaya. and all the bhogas, they come up to that place. Like if I touch something, that sparsha, indriya, all the way it comes to mind in Sukshma Sharira, where bhokta is there, this bhoga goes all the way through these nadis, their bhoga happens. If you put something on the tongue, a bhoga happens in the hridaya desha. If I see something, bhoga happens in hridaya desha. अंतर्हृदय मांसपिंडे प्रतिष्ठिता भवन्ति हृदयात् विप्ररूढ़ाः from heart विप्ररूढ़ाः 6 number praruhya viprasrita ityartha. From heart they have emerged, praruhya, spread out everywhere. सर्वत्र कदम्ब केसरवत् एताभिः नाडीभिः अत्यंत सूक्ष्माभिः एतदन्नम आश्रवत् गच्छत् आश्रवति गच्छति. Kadamba Kesara, like there is a pushpa, Kadamba Kesara pushpa. You know, there is the saffron things which we get, they are actually from flowers. And there are so many in the flower. Those flowers which have that. So Kadamba Kesara is like that. Like these nadis, there are so many. Sarvatra they are spread out. Kadamba Kesaravat etabhihi nadivihi atyanta sukshmabhihi. Kadamba Kesar must be name of some flower where this some kesar, saffron connection should be there. But it is upama, just to understand, it's like an example. अत्यंत सूक्ष्म भी एतद अन्नम आश्रवत आगच्छत आश्रवति गच्छति. So from through these the annam comes to hridaya desha. Through these so many nadis, hita nadis which are spread out. Bhoga is such a sukshma vastu. We look for objects for bhoga. Actual bhoga is only sukshma. Because sthula part is already rejected by the body. Only the sukshma part goes for which there is bhoga. Now that tadetat comes. So nadivihi shariram vyaptasya annasya prayojan. By these nadis, Shariram Vyapta Anna, Anna which pervades the whole body. Why? What is the purpose of that? Tad etad devata shariram anena annena dama bhutena upachiyamanam tishtati. Tad etad this devata shariram. Nadis are spread everywhere, and devata means this adhyatma devata. Devata shariram anena annena dama bhutena. Dama means 10 number tippani. Indra Indranyoho Agni Shomayoho Vishwa Taijasayoho Annam Shishu Brahmane Api Uktam iti Suchati. Annam Dama iti Yat Purvam Vyakyatam Shishu Bandhanam. Shishu means prana. It ties this prana. Annam keeps these pranas going. Indra Indrani, they are like Agni Shoma. Indra Indranyoho Agni Shomayoho Vishwa Taijasa Yoho Annam. This was discussed in Shishu Brahmana. You remember where Shishu Brahmana was?
द्वितीयाध्याय द्वितीय ब्राह्मण
Which adhyaya you said?
द्वितीय
Dvitiya adhyaya.
आफ्टर अजातशत्रु
After what? Raja?
आफ्टर अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण
Ajatashatru. Huh. Ajatashatru Brahmana. After that, Shishu Brahmana. So, this Dama bhutena upachiyamanam, anyena Dama bhutena upachiyamanam, tishtati shariram. This Devata Sharira, Adhyatma Sharira or Linga Sharira sustains itself with this Anna. Tasmat, so Tika says, Tasmad iti ityadi vakyam adaya vyachaste. Yasmat. Tasmat iti vakya. It says Tasmat means Yasmat sthulena anyena upachitaha pinda idantu devata shariram lingam sukshmena anyena upachitam tishtati. Sthula sharira has sthula anna. Sukshma sharira has Sukshma Anna. Devata Shariram means Linga Shariram. Sukshmena Anyena Upachitam. It sustains only by Sukshma Bhoga. Tathapi Pravivikta Ahara iti eva vaktavye. You should say it is Pravivikta Ahara Sukshma Bhoga. You said Pravivikta Ahara Tara iti kasmad uchyate tatra aha. पिंडोपचयकरम अपि अन्नम प्रविविक्तम एव मूत्र पुरुषादि स्थूलम अपेक्ष्य लिंग स्थितिकरम तु अन्नम ततोपि सूक्ष्मतरम. पिंड उपचयकरम, that which sustains the pinda, that is also annam. Different from that is this praviviktam eva मूत्र पुरुषादि स्थूलम अपेक्ष्य लिंग स्थितिकरम. To annam tatopi sukshmataram. So pravivikta ahara tara means this is the third one. Food becomes of three types. Thulam is gone. That which sustains this gross body is the middle part. That is called pravivikta ahara. The subtlest which sustains the sukshma sharira is called pravivikta ahara tara. So compared to mutra purishadi, which is very sthula, that which sustains the sthula sharira is pinda upachayakaram, is called pravivikta. Is pravivikta ahara. Pravivikta ahara, so he says in Bhashya, Atah pravivikta ahara is pinda, is sthula sharira, which is sustained by the madhyama portion of the food, drinks, etc. Subtler than that, tasmat pravivikta aharat api pravivikta ahara tara esha lingatma eva. Lingatma iva eva bhavati. Lingatma iva means lingatma eva bhavati. Asmat sharirat. So then this sthula sharira is this. Tika yasmad iti asya apekshitam kathayati ataha pravivikta ahara pinda. Compared to the food that is there on the table, body is subtler. Because from the food that is there on the table or in the plate, gross part will go away. What is remained is the subtle body, is the subtle part, which is the sthula sharira. Subtler than that is Sukshma Sharira. शारीरात् इति श्रूयते. कथं शरीरात् इति उच्यते? It is said in the mantra Sharirat. You are saying Bhavati Asmat Sharirat. Why not Sharirat? He says Shariram eva Shariram. Sharira itself is Sharira. This is Swarte and Pragnadibhyascha. Pragnadigana Pragnya eva Pragnya. In the same way, Shariram eva Shariram. Tasmat Sharirat. From that Sharira. Uttam artham sankshipya upasamharati. This meaning what he has said so far, in brief now he does upasamhara. Atmano vaishvanarat taijasah sukshmat sukshma anna upachito bhavati. From Vaishvanara, Atmanaha Vaishvanarat, taijasa is sukshma anna upachita. Taijasa sustains itself by sukshma anna. So this pravivikta bhuk shabda in Mandukya, which comes for the Dvitiya Pada, explanation of that is here actually. There pravivikta, this is suddenly what is this pravivikta? So here we should understand. Food is there, it is divided into three. Sthula goes away, the middle part sustains the Sthula Sharira, and the subtlest part is where the bhoga happens. Okay. So here this mantra is done. Tasya prachidik pranchah prana dakshinadik dakshine pranaha pratichidik pratyanchah prana udichidik udanchah prana urdhvadik urdhva prana avachidik gavanchah प्राणाः सर्वादिशः सर्वे प्राणाः स एष नेति नेत्यात्मा गृह्यो न हि गृह्यते शीर्यो न हि शीर्यते संगो न हि सज्जते असितो न व्यथते न ऋष्यत्यभयं वै जनकप्राप्तोऽसि इति होवाच याज्ञवल्क्यः स होवाच जनको वै देहो अभयं त्वागच्छतात् याज्ञवल्क्य यो नो भगवन् अभयं वेदयसे नमस्तेस्तु इमे विदेहा अयमहमस्मि. तस्य प्राचीदिक. So tasya is tasya, the one who has come up to this level of identification. What is that? So from Vaishvanara to Taijasa to Hridaya and Prajna. In this way, Prachi, eastern direction, Pranchaha, Prana, means Purva Prana. Dakshinadik, Dakshine Prana. Pratichidik, Pratyanchaha Prana. Udichidik, Udancha Prana. So, east, south, west, north. Urdhvadik, Urdhva Prana, upwards. Avachidik, Avancha Prana, the downwards pranas. All directions, all prana. Sarvadisha, Sarve Prana. What is this Atma? Suddhisiddhi Turiya. Suddenly it is given now. Sa esha neti neti Atma. Agrihyo nahi grihyate, asiryo nahi shiryate, asango nahi sajyate, asito na vyathate na rishyati. Up to this, we have seen recently, and this is being repeated. Again it will come. Then Yajnavalkya says, Abhayam vai Janaka praptosi. Janaka, you have attained Abhayam. Abhayam means Brahma. You are Brahma Swarupa. Praptaha asi. Iti hovacha Yajnavalkya. Guru told Shishya, you are Brahma. You are Abhaya. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी प्राप्तोसीति निर्देशात् ज्ञानमेवात्मनो गतिः ज्ञानादन्यत् गतिश्चेत् स्यात् प्राप्स्यसि इति एवं तं वदेत्. When it is said abhayam vai janaka prapto asi, you are not prapto asi. He didn't say prapsyasi, you shall attain. Praptah asi, you are abhaya, means you are already Brahma. It is possible only through jnana. Sahovacha Janaka, Janaka Maharaj says, Vaideho, Janako Vaideho, Abhayam Tvagacchatat, Yajnavalkya. Hey Yajnavalkya, may you attain Abhayam. Why? Yo Naha Bhagavan Abhayam Vedayase, because you are teaching us Abhayam. So may you also be Abhayam. Means I have understood not only I am Brahma, you are also Brahma. This is the greatness of Brahma Jnani. Shudra people, how do they understand? I am Brahma, I am Brahma. The others are, God knows where they are. I am Brahma means I have understood you are Brahma. Yo Naha Bhagavan Abhayam Vedayase. You are teaching us, you are that. Namaste Astu Ime Videhaha. Salutations to you. Ime Videhaha. All this, the kingdom of Videha along with people. And I am Aham Asmi. I also am belonging to you. I offer myself, kingdom, all the citizens, all of us are your sevakas. This is Guru Dakshina. You gave us Abhayam, I offer my Guru Dakshina in this way. Bhashya Tika we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.